Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to start our new project session on Bitcoin price prediction in machine learning using the linear regression model. This model predicts the price of the Bitcoin on the market basis. So let's start. The basic step is to load all the required libraries, and I load a warning library which is used to remove the warning at the execution of the code. Okay. Then the next step is to load the Bitcoin dataset using the dataset link. Using the dataset link, you can say URL, which contains some parameters like date, Bitcoin market price, Bitcoin total Bitcoin, and etc. Okay. Then perform the exploratory data analysis. Firstly, describe the data to see the minimum, maximum, standard deviation, count value, etc. Okay. Then check that there is null value present or not. If we null value is present, so we have to deal with the null values. Then check the information of the data, which displays the data type of the data and tell about the null values. Okay. Then now it's time to deal with the correlation. Now it's time to deal with the correlation. Correlation explain how one or more features are related to each other. So in this, we try to see all the features are correlated with our target feature. So here we are seeing that the correlation of the features using the core command. Now the same functionality is here. We are uh, we are uh, we are displaying the correlation with all the features using the heat map function of Seaborn. Then implement a function with name correlation which takes two parameters. Firstly, the data, and the second one is a threshold value. This function returns all the features which are correlated with our target feature above the threshold value. Okay. When we call the function correlation, it takes data and threshold value and pass a data and the 0.81 threshold value. Then this function returns all the features which are correlated with the target feature above 0.81 threshold value and display the returned features. You can see. Now see the correlation of target feature with Bitcoin market cap. Okay, you can see here. So Bitcoin market price is highly correlated with Bitcoin market cap. Okay. Now keep all the correlated features. Now keep all the correlated features and remove all the features which are not correlated with the target feature. Now display the data, final data. You can see the shape. Now we left only 7 columns. Before we have 29 columns. Now it's time to deal with the null values. Now check the null value is present or not. Then fill the null values with mean value of a respective column. Then again check that there is null value are present or not. Now split the data into the independent feature and dependent feature. Okay. Now, uh, now divide the data into the training data and the testing data using the train test split function, which takes some parameters like independent feature, dependent feature, test size, random state, and etc. And and it returns four parameters, four parameters, which are our database data set. Now see the shape of all the four data sets. Xtrain and Ytrain is used for training, and Xtest and Ytest is used for testing. Xtrain stores all the independent features, and Ytrain stores dependent feature. Same with test data. Xtest store independent feature and Ytest store dependent features. You can see the shape of the data. Now apply the feature scaling, which scales the data in a particular range, or we can say that apply a normalization technique to normalize the data. Okay. Now define the linear regression model and train the model with training data, and test the model using the test data. Now evaluate the model, that how it is performing. So see the mean squared error, root mean squared error, and mean absolute error. You can see. Okay. So thank you guys. This is my project of Bitcoin price prediction. Okay. And the complete working and how to use it, how to download the source code, you will get here. Okay. So if you are interested in machine learning, deep learning, NLP, Python, Flask, so you can follow my this blog. I will upload here different projects. Okay. So thank you guys. We will meet you in the next project.